Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology and innovation. Today, get ready to be amazed as we dive into the world of amazing inventions. We've handpicked 16 new tools and equipment that are set to revolutionize the way we live and work. So, let's not waste any time and jump right into it. The Hotash 3.6-volt cordless screwdriver is a versatile tool that belongs in every toolbox. This 6-in-1 rechargeable mini electric drill is packed with features to make your projects a breeze. With its LED work light, you can work in dimly lit areas with ease. The interchangeable bits allow you to handle various types of screws and fasteners, saving you time and effort. Its compact and portable design means you can take it anywhere, even in tight spaces. And with its long-lasting lithium battery and charger, you can work without interruptions, ensuring your tasks are completed efficiently. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this cordless screwdriver will simplify your work and deliver outstanding results. The PackTool Roof Snake tool is a must-have for roofers and DIY enthusiasts. This practical pry bar is designed for replacing composition roofing shingles quickly and effectively. It makes the process more accurate, efficient, and safer compared to traditional methods. With this pocket pry bar, you can install new 3-tab shingles without bending or hitting surrounding shingles, eliminating the risk of damage. The patented offset nail slot feature ensures precise nail alignment, maintaining the integrity of your roof. Crafted from high-strength steel, this tool is built to last. Its claw tip allows for easy removal of old, damaged shingles and nails, simplifying your tasks. PackTool has been trusted by professionals for decades, offering specialized construction tools that inspire smarter work and more efficient repairs. Invest in the PackTool Roof Snake tool for superior performance and exceptional results. The 2.0 upgraded universal bathroom sink stopper PopUp is a high-quality and durable solution for your bathroom sink. Made from stainless steel and brass materials, it is resistant to rust, cracking, corrosion, and leakage, ensuring long-lasting performance. With its anti-clogging design, this sink drain stopper features a thicker and stronger built-in strainer basket, effectively preventing hair and other debris from clogging the drain while also keeping valuable items like jewelry from falling in. Installing the pop-up drain is a breeze, as no tools are required. Simply remove the old stopper and insert the bounce cord to complete the installation. This sink stopper is designed to be versatile, serving as both a bathtub drain plug and a basin sink drain plug. It offers 2 modes that can be easily switched by pressing the top cap down, stopper mode to keep the water and in strainer mode to drain the water. With its seamless and integrally molded construction, this 2-in-1 sink stopper provides convenience, functionality, and ease of use. Upgrade your bathroom sink with this reliable and efficient sink drain stopper. The ball pump for sports balls by More Pilot is a convenient and efficient electric pump designed to inflate various sports balls. With 4 ball modes specifically tailored for basketball, football, volleyball, and rugby ball, this pump makes it easy for anyone to use, even beginners. Simply select the desired ball mode and start inflating with just 1 key. Featuring intelligent pressure detection and an auto-off function, this electric ball pump ensures fast and accurate inflation. It automatically shuts off once the desired pressure is reached, allowing you to focus on other tasks without worrying about overinflating the ball. With an airflow of 4 liters per minute and a large 2,000 mAh battery capacity, it can inflate a ball in just 1 to 2 minutes and handle over 30 balls on a single charge. Charging is convenient via a USB port, taking approximately 3 hours for a full charge. Not only is this ball pump practical, but it also serves as a flashlight when inflating balls in dark conditions. The compact design and included waterproof bag make it highly portable, fitting easily in your bag or pocket. You can take it anywhere with you, ensuring you're always prepared. Don't let the rain stop your game, as the waterproof bag provides protection in sudden showers. Elevate your sports experience with the More Pilot ball pump for sports balls. The Earwax removal tool is a comprehensive ear cleaning kit that allows you to safely and effectively remove earwax at home. This kit includes everything you need for a thorough ear irrigation process, saving you time and money on costly medical bills and clinic visits. It utilizes a professional-grade ear washing system that doctors and clinics use, ensuring a safe and reliable method. The Earwax irrigation removal kit is designed to be easy and convenient for users of all ages. It gently washes your ears without causing any damage to the sensitive skin, effectively removing wax, dirt, and debris. This helps alleviate symptoms such as fullness, hearing loss, and pain, providing relief and comfort. With its complete ear washer system, including an ear washer spray bottle, ear basin, 40 disposable tips, towel, and aid drop, this kit offers better quality and stability. It is easy to operate and ensures a safe and hassle-free ear cleaning experience. The ear irrigation kit undergoes thorough quality inspections, guaranteeing its effectiveness and reliability. Invest in this ear cleaning kit to maintain optimal ear hygiene and enjoy the convenience of at-home earwax removal. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to clean and healthy ears. The mini screwdriver set is a portable and versatile toolkit, perfect for various repair tasks. With 45 interchangeable magnetic bits, including Torx, hex, slot, Phillips, and more, it is compatible with devices like Nintendo Switch, iPhone, PC, and gaming consoles. The set includes an extension bar and a flexible bar for added convenience. Its intuitive design and automatic opening cover make it user-friendly. Simplify your repairs with this compact and comprehensive screwdriver set. The Kibi Body Hair Trimmer Groomer Kit for Men offers a comprehensive solution for body hair grooming. It includes 2 ceramic blades designed for different areas of the body. The regular blade is perfect for trimming chest hair, underarm hair, and beards, while the chamfered blade is specifically designed for safe and efficient groin area grooming, making it ideal for ball shaving. The kit allows for easy disassembly and blade replacement as needed, ensuring hygiene and preventing cross-contamination between different areas. Equipped with a powerful motor operating at 7,000 RPM, the trimmer delivers consistent and efficient trimming without pulling or pinching. The noise reduction technology and comfortable grip enhance the user experience. The trimmer is waterproof, IPX7, enabling convenient use in the shower. The non-slip body ensures a secure grip even when wet. With a full charge, the trimmer provides up to 90 minutes of runtime, reducing the need for frequent charging. The included charging dock keeps the trimmer secure while charging and helps maintain a tidy workspace. Additionally, the trimmer can be charged directly using the provided USB cable. Featuring an LED light, the trimmer illuminates the area being trimmed for greater precision. The display screen indicates the remaining battery life, allowing you to plan your grooming sessions accordingly. Toothpaste Caps 3-Pack, Squeeze Me by Chrome Cherry, offers a practical solution for messy toothpaste tubes. These self-sealing silicone caps keep toothpaste neatly contained and prevent buildup on bathroom counters. With Squeeze Me, you can say goodbye to the hassle of lost or left-off caps. The caps distribute the perfect amount of toothpaste, reducing waste and saving money. Enjoy a clean, easy, and hassle-free application of toothpaste every time with Squeeze Me self-sealing cap. The EcoNerd 2-in-1 car steering wheel desk is a versatile and convenient accessory for your car. With this portable desk, you can easily read, write, and even enjoy a meal while on the go. It offers a deep cup holder area on one side, allowing you to securely place your drinks, while the other side features a flat surface with a pen holder, perfect for using a laptop or writing down notes. Whether you're a frequent traveler or need a mobile workspace, this car tray is an ideal addition. Made of sturdy ABS material, it mounts securely on the steering wheel, providing an ergonomic and stable work area. Its slim and lightweight design allows for easy storage and effortless mounting whenever needed. Upgrade your car with the EcoNerd car steering wheel desk for added convenience and functionality. INVENTIONS introduces the 2-in-1 brushless pole saw and mini chainsaw, featuring an 8-inch cutting cordless power pole saw with versatile functionality. With the automatic telescopic pole, users can easily adjust the length according to their needs, allowing for efficient trimming of both low branches and tall trees. The adjustable extension pole extends from 4.8 feet to 9.2 feet, reaching a distance of 15.2 feet when held at a 60-degree angle. This eliminates the need for ladders or climbing, ensuring safer operations. The brushless motor provides 85% more power output and 230% more efficiency compared to brushed motors, offering a longer lifespan. The double safety protections require pressing the safety lock and pulling the trigger to start the tool, ensuring user safety. Additionally, the upgraded lubrication system keeps the chain perfectly lubricated, resulting in smooth and effective cutting operations. The INVENTIONS 2-in-1 brushless pole saw and mini chainsaw is the ideal tool for wood cutting and trimming tasks. The HAUSA Gene Wi-Fi water timer for garden hose is a smart and convenient solution for automated garden watering. With its Wi-Fi connectivity, 2.4 GHz only, you can easily control the timer remotely through the app, allowing you to specify watering plans anytime and anywhere. Whether you're at home or on vacation, this timer enables you to efficiently irrigate your garden with ease. The intelligent management features of the timer include customizable irrigation times, scheduled watering, and cycle watering settings, providing flexibility for drip irrigation and spraying scenarios. You can also access irrigation history and use the weather delay function to adjust watering schedules based on rainfall. With reliable quality and IP55 waterproof design, this timer ensures no water leakage and stable performance. Additionally, it supports smart voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant, making it even more convenient to manage your garden's watering needs. The Exerpeutic alternative inversion traction table offers a safe and effective way to relieve lower back pain without the need to hang upside down. This innovative back stretcher has helped numerous individuals decompress their backs and experience relief. Unlike traditional inversion tables, this traction table is designed to fit under most beds, making it convenient for storage. With this traction table, you can enjoy the benefits of stretching your back, thoracic vertebrae, and discs without the discomfort of being upside down. The unique control wheel allows you to have precise control over the decompression process, with increments as small as 0.03 inches. This ensures that you can stretch at your own pace without any jarring or sudden jolts. The traction table is designed for comfort and adjustability. It features soft arm pads with 4 adjustable width positions to support your body comfortably. The leg holders are also adjustable to accommodate both larger and smaller feet. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds, the steel frame and solid wood construction provide stability and durability. Despite its sturdy construction, the traction table is lightweight, weighing only 30 pounds, and can easily be stored under a bed. It also comes with a foam-covered handle for convenient transportation. Assembly is quick and easy, with all the necessary tools included. Experience the benefits of back decompression and lower back pain relief with the Exerpeutic alternative inversion traction table. The single hand-operable paper towel holder for under-cabinet installation offers convenience and functionality in your kitchen or bathroom. With its special gear design, it provides a damping effect that prevents the paper roll from unraveling and allows for easy and controlled paper towel dispensing. Installation is a breeze, with 2 options available: screw installation or adhesive mounting, depending on your cabinet situation. The holder is made of high-quality 304 stainless steel with a matte coating finish, ensuring durability and resistance to water, dust, moisture, and corrosion. This versatile paper towel holder is suitable for various settings, including kitchens, bathrooms, garages, RVs, and more. It effectively saves space while keeping your paper towels easily accessible. Enjoy the convenience and long-lasting quality of this under-cabinet paper towel holder. The cord organizer for kitchen appliances is the perfect solution to keep your kitchen equipment wiring neat and organized, eliminating clutter from your life. Made of food-grade silicone material, this cord organizer ensures safety and durability. With its 3M genuine non-marking adhesive, the cord organizer securely sticks to surfaces and can withstand up to 30 pounds of vertical upward pull. It can be used in various settings such as the kitchen, desk, bedroom, or wall, making it an essential accessory and tool for everyday life. The Rust-Oleum Comfort Grip is a must-have tool for any painting project. It provides maximum control and reduces finger fatigue, making large projects much easier to handle. With its durable construction, this ergonomic spray grip can withstand repetitive use. The large soft touch trigger and ergonomic design ensure comfortable and precise spraying. It fits most standard spray paint cans, including Rust-Oleum Stops Rust spray paints. Enhance your painting experience and achieve professional results with the Rust-Oleum Comfort Grip. Maintaining your lawn has never been easier with the Earthwise 20-volt 12-inch cordless string trimmer and mower. This versatile 3-in-1 combo tool effortlessly converts from a string trimmer to a mower to an edger, providing all the tools you need for a well-groomed yard. With a simple adjustment, you can edge your lawn or garden and mow the grass using a single tool, saving you time and effort. The trimmer and mower features a 14-inch adjustable cutting deck with 3 cutting heights, a rotating cutting head with a flip-down edge guard, an adjustable telescopic handle, and a single-line auto-feed system. It comes with a 4.0 lithium-ion battery and fast charger, ensuring you have ample power to tackle your lawn care tasks. Say goodbye to fumes, oil, and gas with this cordless electric tool, making yard maintenance a cleaner and more convenient experience.